Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on this particular Swatch watch. So this is a very rare model that uses the CER 2025 battery cell. As you can see, it also writes on the back of the watch CER 2025, the 3-volt battery. So this is a very big watch battery, and that is because this watch features various functions. So as you can see, if I were to pull the crown and move the watch crown, it is not going to move like a regular watch, but you can do a lot of things that regular Swatch watches cannot do. For example, this moving of the watch hands that goes for 1 hour. So this takes a lot more energy, and that is why this watch features a bigger watch battery. So here on the back, you will be able to look on the sides in order to find a place where you can actually lift the watch back. Here on the table you can see that I have a bunch of watch tools, for example the back case opener, a pair of tweezers, and also a watch press in case you work on watches that have stainless steel backs, and some of them will need to be pressed down because you cannot put them back with your bare hands. So what you want to do is to take the back case opener and place it underneath the back of the watch, so underneath this plastic back case. Push it, and then we are going to pull the back of the watch towards ourselves, and we are going to remove the back of the watch, and we can expose the watch battery. As you can see, this is similar to the CR 2016 in size, but this one is going to be a lot thicker compared to 2016. So I'm going to remove the watch battery. Here you can see the quite unusual watch movement that this particular model has. Once again, you can find the old watch battery, and you can actually read on the back of the watch CER 2025. Then we are going to take the new watch battery and place it inside. We are going to push it against 2 of these metallic pins, and we are going to push it inwards at the same time. Then we will test the watch to make sure that it is working. As you can see, the watch hands moved, and now you can go and set the time, then push the crown all the way back in. Now, in order to finalize the process, we are going to take the back of the watch and place it above, so make sure to perfectly align it, and then we are going to push it inwards. Push the back of the watch back with your bare hands, but as I mentioned, you should always have the watch press by your side in case you cannot do that by yourself, in order to apply a little bit more pressure and also to be equally distributed against the back of the watch. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to replace the watch battery on the Swatch watch, so on this particular model, once again the CER 2025. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the tools, the watch battery, and also the watch press, so make sure to grab them before starting to actually work on your watches. If you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if you managed to replace the watch battery on your Swatch watch or on your different watch. And also, if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.